Okay, little guy, let me help you around. We're currently in your spaceship near Earth. I guess right now we're in the tech room, from where you jump in our videos and help us explain things, if I'm correct. Oh, really takes a lot to make videos. Who would have thought? Okay, I'll follow alongside. Let me guess, this is the living room where you rest and enjoy our videos? Okay, I'm sorry, let's bury that particular hatchet and move on. Oh, he really thought this through. That's so cool. I hope that, with the help of our audience, we can achieve all this soon. Care to explain all this confusing stuff? I noticed you weren't present in the first few videos. Just one more thing. What's the point of all this? Why are you showing all of this? What else did I expect? Yeah, see you in the next one, and I hope you enjoyed our little detour. Subscribe to our channel for more stuff like this. Consider supporting us on Patreon, it means a lot to us. Don't forget to like and share this video, and we'll see you in the next one.